days, this virtual mode of trainings are very helpful to us, the people like us who are not able to go out uh, for attending and risking our lives. So it's very useful. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Subhas. So I think we'll go on to the next module. So that is to get your hard-earned certificates. So with the permission of chair, so now it's time to bestow you with the certificates. So what I'll do is I'll go on flashing the virtual certificates, and then I expect a PI of this project to please one by one interact with the trainees, and then we'll bestow the certificates. So here we'll go. So first we are going to distribute the training certificates. So this is Dr. M. Raghavendra. I request
Yes,
all
sir.
the panelists. Yeah, I request all the panelists, please switch on your video. Now this is a very important session. Please switch on your video. Yeah, Dr. M. Raghavendra.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for selecting me in this program, that is a niche area of excellence in this. And it was a fantastic program, sir, that was designed and implemented. Here we are on the 11th day of this program. And I am very happy to get this certificate, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Dr. Praveen V. Jadhav. So today morning I got call. There was some emergency in his house, so he could not able to join. So we are sorry for this. Dr. Sivaji Vasant Damame. So he's assistant professor at MPKV Rauri. Sir. Yeah. Dr. Sivaji, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. Can
yes,
you
sir.
Yeah,
I'm
please.
here, sir.
Hello.
हाँ सर, आवाज आ रही है सर?
हाँ जी आ रही है. Please.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, if you want
Hello.
to say something, please share.
Sir, thank you for selecting this training program. I'm very thankful for all these professors and colleagues for this providing me this opportunity to attend this seminar, this training program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Aradhana Kumari, Assistant Professor, JNKV, Vidisha, MP.
Thank you, sir, for selecting me and providing opportunity to attend this training, because it is not possible for we people to join training physically in IRI, because always it is written that you cannot accompany it with anyone, and we have small, means I am having a small kid. That's why it is very good to join this training virtually. And I'm very happy to see that the collaboration between the all scientists of among all scientists of biochemistry division of IARI, and all are working in a means a different aspect of the same crop, and providing different products. Is nutraceutical, just like nutraceuticals, and all are wanting in this era. And I think it will be very fruitful for me for providing information to my farmers, students, and designing any experiment or project in further endeavor. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Dr. Subhas C. Kashyap, Assistant Professor, ISCOS, Jammu.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I forget to mention that your holler and makai is due for a gift for us. Whenever we visit your division, we will have that.
You are most welcome. Thank you, Dr. Subhas.
I would also like to thank Dr. P.K. Sahu, because I would forget to mention his name. He has he brings new equipments and machineries to our knowledge. Otherwise, I was not able to see like that. We will definitely we will have some problems with the millets processing. So we will take help from him. Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, Dr. Zuwas. Thank you, Dr. Dr. Amrita Tiwari. Dr. Amrita Tiwari. So maybe I
Yes,
think,
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
ma'am, can you please switch on your video?
Yes, sir.
So maybe I think there is some issue with the internet. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Dr. Monica Sood.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I would like to share that this training, first of all, I would like to thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity. And the training was very comprehensive, informative, especially the practical part, which is missing in most of the virtual training programs. And it updated my knowledge. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Akanksha Tiwari, Assistant Professor, College of Agriculture, Azamgarh, UP.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to attend this training. And the best part of this training is the practical aspect. And I have gained most of the knowledge regarding pearl millet. And I will do my breeding work in this crop. And so first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you for successfully organized this training. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Dhananjay Singh, Scientist, KVK, JNKV, Jabalpur.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Dr. Anita Kumari, Assistant Professor, Central University of Haryana.
Hello, Hanji, good afternoon, everyone. So thank you so much, sir. And I thank one and all who is directly or indirectly involved in this, specifically the team who is working on this project. And the more important is the students and SRF, JRF, who is constantly contributing to this. And one thing more is that means I am also planning to work on some of the crops, underused crops of Haryana. And here I one thing which I notice is that like all the scientists, they are working under one umbrella. So that is a good thing. And I can also think like that. So that means a better outcome will come. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Alpana Sharma, Scientist, KVK, MP.
Thank you, sir, for selecting me as participant in this training program. The training program was very much informative and it also includes the practical part. So it is very, very lively and informative. Thank you all for selecting me for this training program.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Sanjay Jain, Scientist, JNKV, Jabalpur. Dr. Sanjay Jain. So I think Dr. Jain, so maybe because of technical glitch, so he is not in this group.
Hello.
Yeah, sir, are you there? Yeah, please switch
Yes,
on
sir.
your video. Yeah.
1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, thank you very much, sir. राजीव रंजन सर, आपने बहुत अच्छे से जो ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है पूरा अच्छे से डिजाइन किया था और इसमें मैं समझता हूँ कि टीचर्स के लिए और रिसर्च पर्सनल्स के लिए और एक्सटेंशन वर्कर्स के लिए सभी टीमों के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा मटेरियल था और प्रोग्राम से thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Dr. Alka Singh, Scientist, JNKB, Jabalpur. Dr. Alka Singh, scientist, JNKV, Jabalpur. So I think ma'am, she is not there. Dr. Sunil Kumar Jadhav, scientist, KVK, Bagalkot, MP. Dr. Sunil Kumar Jadhav. So I think there is some issue with the technical. So Dr. Pramod Sharma, he is from JNKV, Jabalpur. Dr. Pramod Sharma.
Thank you very much, sir, and all the organizers for the wonderful training. Thank you very much, sir. Once again.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Pramodji. Mr. Yagvalkai Sharma, scientist, Kalp Laboratory, Mathura. Mr. Sharma, are you there?
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank for all the organizing committees for selecting me for this training program under the niche area of excellence, and I will really appreciate you for your hard work, for your effort for making this training program successfully. And finally, just I would like to thank to all the coordinators of this training program, all the members of this training program, and hope we will find some more training program and workshop ahead. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Dr. Prakash K. Lokhande, Associate Professor, MPKV, Rahuri.
Thank you very much, sir. Division head division of biochemistry, Dr. Shelly Praveen, Dr. Archana Sachdev, Dr. Ranjit Ranjan, sir, for organizing such a wonderful training and the right time, because without perspective and in well detailed understanding of metabolic pathways and estimation, the biofortification program will not be successful. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Dr. Mahesh Kumar, scientist, Khazri, Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful training. This is very useful for me because I'm working in a Khazri, Jodhpur. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahesh. Dr. Bhagwat P. Pendre, Program Assistant, KVK, MP. Dr. Bhagat P. Pendre. Dr. Mohan Chauhan, Assistant Professor, GKVK, US, Bangalore.
Thank you, sir. I forgot to say thanks to Dr. P.K. Sahu, sir, who elaborately shown their department, and he shown many of the instruments. I thank Dr. Shelly Praveen ma'am. I thank Dr. Archana Sachdev ma'am and Dr. Ranjit Ranjan sir for organizing this particular training, and it was very informative, and I would like to have such kind of a training in coming days also. It was very good, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mohan. Mohammad Sameem, Associate Professor, Dr. Kalam Agriculture College, Kishanganj, Bihar.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for selecting me as one of the participants. I enjoyed a lot of this training, but especially the virtual visit of the Parliament field, and also some practical classes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sameem. Dr. Julie D. Bandral, Associate Professor, SCOSS, Jammu.
Good afternoon to everyone. I appreciate Dr. Ranjit Ranjan, Madam Shelly Praveen for organizing such a comprehensive training program on pearl millet. And beautiful part was putting so much an effort for providing practical demonstration, that too on the virtual platform. I feel proud to be part of this training program. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Dr. Jagriti Borakar, Scientist, JNKV, MP.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me the. Thank you so much, sir.
Ma'am, can we have your video?
Yes, sir.
So I think there is some technical.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am. Please switch on your video and then share your statement.
I have already switched it.
Yeah,
Hello.
now, yeah, please go ahead.
Hello.
Ma'am.
Sir, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to being the part of this wonderful training program. Training was nicely organized and it was very informative, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Yati Raj Khare, scientist, Jabalpur, MP.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir, all of you. Very nice training. This training is also useful for my life because I am diabetic since last 10 years. I'm using since 2 years that per millet floor. Thanks a lot. Very nice information. All of you, congratulations or thank you.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Geeta Singh, scientist, JNKV, MP. Dr. Geeta Singh, scientist, JNKV, MP.
Hello, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Neelu Vishwakarma, scientist, KBK, MP.
Good morning, sir. Thank you, Ranjan, sir. Selecting from nice training, sir. And thank you for all committee members, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Dr. Gyanendra Kumar Rai, assistant professor, SCOS, Jammu.
Dr. Ranjan. Thanks for PI and Head of Division Biochemistry, Madam Sally Prameet, Archana Sadde, Madam. And this training is more beneficial for us because this training are given the better information, especially on nutritional biochemistry. Yeah, thank you. And also congratulates to all team members for the nice training program.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Dr. Akhilesh Kumar Patel, scientist, JNKB, Jabalpur. Dr. Akhilesh Kumar Patel. Most probably is not there. Dr. Anil Kumar Singh, associate professor, SCOS, Jammu.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving me the opportunity to participate in the training program. I have learned a lot during this training program. Your presence never showed it's a virtual mode. From the morning to afternoon, you are always watching to all of us and keeping your sentences like that. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Parvez Ahmad Sofi, associate professor, SCOS, Jammu and Kashmir.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. I compliment the organizers for a wonderful training on a topical issue about pearl millet. Even though I earlier told that I'm not as such working, and pearl millet is not our crop, but there were very good learning takeaways from this training program. In between there was some technical glitch. Yesterday we had some issue with internet, so I could not connect for lot of part of the training yesterday. But anyway, I'm thankful for all the participants to be very committed and very punctual in the training program, and it was a nice show. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Chirag Maheshwari, scientist, CIA, Bhopal, MP. Dr. Chirag Maheshwari.
Very good morning, sir. First of all, I'm very much thankful to Ranjan sir for accepting me for this training, and very much thankful for Sally ma'am and Archana Sasde ma'am for delivering such a wonderful talk. And thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Chirag.
Sir, just one. Sorry to say, but one spelling mistake is there in the my. May I?
Yeah, that I'll get to you.
So,
maybe after this, I'll be there.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Mr. Muzaffar Hassan, so from Division of Biochemistry, IRI.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. I'm very thankful to all that you invited me and give opportunity to me for participating in this training. And the training was very wonderful. I learned a lot from this training. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Maharishi Tomar, scientist, IGFRI, Jhansi.
Thank you so much, everyone, for hello.
Please
Thank you
go
so
ahead.
much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
And Dr. Rajiv M. Naik, Professor and Head MPKV Rahuri. Naik, sir. So maybe I think sir is not there anyway. So that was the list of the participants who have been awarded the certificates. So we have certificates for the invitee speakers also. So fastly, just I will run down this. So we have a certificate for Dr. S.P. Singh sir, who nicely explained about different accessions of pearl millet. Dr. Navita Bansal, so she also nicely explained and demonstrated the estimation of nitrogen through Geldal method. Dr. Monica Jolie ma'am, she also explained the anti-nutritional factors and then a practical on how to estimate ANF. Dr. Sweta Kumari, she nicely explained the antioxidant network in case of pearl millet. Dr. Suneha Goswami, so she explained the rancidity matrix in pearl millet. Mr. Maharishi Tomar, so he explained different models developed in the area of pearl millet. Dr. Vinutati, she explained the protein digestibility, and then she also demonstrated a Makai technology, that how to make this Makai. Dr. Pramod Kumar Sahu, so he is principal scientist at Division of Agriculture Engineering, IRI. He nicely explained different instruments which we are using for the processing in case of pearl millet and then fabrication of instruments. Dr. Arun Kumar, so he captured and prepared a very nice video for the virtual trip of Division of Agriculture Engineering, IRI. Dr. Salni Gaur Rudra ma'am. So tomorrow we are going to have one invitee talk by ma'am where she is going to connect the pearl millet with some of the processed product which she developed. And then she will also demonstrate that processed product. Dr. Veda Krishnan, and so she nicely talked about and then starch kinetics. So that was in brief about our invitee speakers. Last part is certificate of appreciation. As I told, it's not possible to organize such a program without the help of student and staffs. So we have a few certificate of appreciation for them. So our first certificate is Mr. Ansif Ali. So that Halur video and then all other aspects related to rancidity matrix that was captured by Mr. Ansif. He is PhD student working under Dr. Suneha Goswami. Then Mrs. Debrati Mondal, so she is a student of Dr. Veda Krishnan, and then one of the demonstration. So she only prepared all those videos and then that was presented. So that was on starch kinetics. Then Mr. Dinesh Kumar, so he is working under Dr. Vinutati, and some of the videos, especially the protein digestibility and then Makai, so he was one of the active member in capturing all those. Mr. Siddharth Kumar, so all your logistics and other help, so he was very active in helping me. He is associated with me, and then all sort of other work, so he helped me a lot. Mr. Jitender Pratik, so he was the person behind all these technical internet-based work, starting from the sending your Zoom link to taking care of your attendance, taking care of the certificates and all other accessories. So he was one man behind all these things. And Mr. Kankan Pandit, he is my MSc student, and then the SDSP's video was captured by him, and he nicely explained that particular part. So this was in brief about the certificates for today's 12 days NE training program. So now, before inviting our chief guest, so we have with us Dr. C. Tara Satvati ma'am, project coordinator at Crepon Pearl Millet. So now I invite ma'am to please give her valuable remarks.
Good morning, everyone. Sorry, good afternoon already. It was very delightful to see the progress of this training program. Though I was invited to be part of this to give a invited talk because I was down with viral fever. Even today, I'm still weak and bit not fully recovered. But I see the progress and I'm listening to the feedback of different participants and the kind of information, the kind of message they're giving that they have learned many things from this training program is really very joyful thing for me to listen from you. And this is the dream which we had shared with Dr. Shelly Praveen in 2017. And it is very pleasing to see how it is unraveling in front of our eyes and how the information on Pearl Millet is being transferred to people and how people are gaining knowledge about it and they're becoming aware of its nutritional importance and how to use it in their day-to-day use by overcoming the problem of transidity and improving their shelf life. It's really very, very good to see all this progress. And I also would like even the Minister of State for Agriculture, he's very much keen in knowing about the progress in pearl millet. And recently he was here in Rajasthan last Saturday, and during that meeting also he was mentioning about the progress, how the scientists were able to overcome the problem of rancidity and how the group of biochemistry under the leadership of Dr. Shelly has overcome the problem of making roti of pearl millet for the urban women. In the rural Rajasthan, people are aware how to make pearl millet roti because it does not have gluten. It does not. It is not easy to prepare like the wheat roti. But due to the addition of the wheat gluten into the pearl millet flour, how the quality has improved and how it has become easy for the urban women to prepare roti just like the rotis of wheat. So this is one step, one innovation and one technology which has made pearl millet easily accessible to urban population. It is not that people are not able to get it, but people are not knowing how to use it in their daily use. But this technology, this little innovation has added, and it has made pearl millet flour available in every household kitchen, at least in Delhi and especially of IRA related families. Now, when we speak of this pearl millet halwa product, people are very keen to know and they are very eager from where we can get this product. So this is just my little suggestion to the biochemistry people. If we can make it available online, maybe through some companies, so it will be easily accepted and people are waiting to get this product. So this is one little suggestion, Dr. Shelly ma'am. I know that you have made it, there is an MOU with a company, but if you can discuss with them and make it available online, there is a big demand for this product. And now you all know that the International Year of Millets is declared for 2023. People are gearing up to bring millets into the mainstream. Government's efforts are already initiated, but the initiative from people, the consumers, we people has to come, and that will come when we are made aware of these things. And already steps are being taken by you people to bring pearl millet into the mainstream. And I think there is a long journey to go to make pearl millet equivalent to the staple food crops like rice and wheat. I still remember when I was in IRA, people used to question me. Whenever I used to tell about the superiority of pearl millet, they say, Madam, you are telling about its usefulness, but no one eats it. Because there are certain problems why people were not able to accept it. And those problems are addressed by Division of Biochemistry, and I'm very happy to see the progress made by this group. And thank you all very much for being participating in this training and also for giving information to the participants. And thank you once again for each one of you and one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind suggestions, support, and help. So now Dr. P.K. Sahu sir has joined. So now Now I invite Dr. P.K. Sahu sir to please share his valuable remarks. Sir.
Okay, thank you. The course coordinator, Dr. Sally ma'am, and Dr. Tara, and Dr. Ranjan, Dr. Archana Sachdeva, and all the panelists and those who are taking training. Really, it is quite nice to participate in this type of virtual training program. Earlier also I had told it would have been much better if it would have been physical, but in the present circumstances, organizing this type of online or virtual training, it is quite good. In the afternoon, we have a webinar also. So that is about the precision farm equipment, what the starters, prospects, and all these things we will be discussing in that way. And the DDG engineering, he will be the chief guest, and director IR, I will be participating in that. But what I mean to say, always this type of training program, it is not one way. And during my deliberation also, I spoke about how we learn from the trainees. So in the interaction, one of the trainee, he talked about, can we go for a thresher, which can just thresh for a particular plot and all these things. That means what we are thinking in the lab, that is very much in the demand. Because on that day also I told single panicle or single earhead thresher, which is available in the international market with high cost. So can we go for the indigenization of all these things, make in India type of things? So in this way, we are planning. So it is always a two-way process. We learn a lot. Thank you very much for making me a part of this training program. So Dr. Ranjan, I will take the leave. Thank you very much, because in the afternoon, we have a webinar, and I'm going to host that.
Okay.
So please excuse me. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words and sparing your time. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. So now you all are eagerly waiting for the keynote address. So now it's time to listen to our course director and PI of this project, Dr. Shelly Praveen ma'am. So ma'am.
Chief guest, I am the host of this training program, so please don't use this word. The second thing is keynote, means keynote, you all have done the keynote in last 11 days. I am here just to give you a sum up or summary. So it's not again a keynote. So these two modifications I want to do at the beginning of my address. My colleague is present, Dr. Tara. All the colleagues from the biochemistry division, and two course coordinator, Dr. Ranjan, Dr. Archana Sachdeva, and Dr. Suneha also as a coordinator. All the faculty members of Division of Biochemistry, Division of Agriculture Engineering, and we have participation from Division of Genetics and Division of Post-Harvest Technology. All the trainees, 33 trainees participating in this 12 days program, and the students, SRFs, and technical staff of the division who are constantly involved in this training program. And we have our professor also, Dr. Anil Ahuja, with us. So a very, very warm good afternoon to all of you. Today is the 11th day and not the concluding day. Why we did this exercise today? Because tomorrow you want to experience Hallur on your plate. Of course, in a virtual manner, where Dr. Shalini from PhD is going to show you different preparations of Hallur. And one component I request Dr. Ranjan, if possible, can be included is the inclusion of Dr. Sangeeta from Division of Extension, because that is also from our group, and she is doing a lot of extension activity and promoting pearl millet and Hallur in different villages. So if possible, please include one lecture from Dr. Sangeeta also for tomorrow. So while listening to everything and while listening to Dr. Tara and to Dr. Ranjan's report and the comments by Dr. Archana Sachdev, I was just going through my memory lane in 2016. 2016, I met Dr. Tara in the fields, IRI fields. And I was visiting for some other purpose and I met in the fields, and that time she stopped me and she told me that we want with division of biochemistry. That time we were not knowing anything about pearl millet, and then I was knowing that she is a very good breeder in the area of pearl millet, but before that we were not having much interaction. But that day, if Dr. Tara is here, she can recall that she stopped me in the field and she told me that it will be good. Now you are in biochemistry and we can start collaboration. And we agreed upon, and as the time passed, she joined in 2017 as a project coordinator, ICRIP for pearl millet at Jodhpur. And that gives more impetus, although right from the beginning, she is a very, very hardworking breeder and always promoting pearl millet. But with her new position as a project coordinator, she really defined her role in a very good manner. And in 2017 itself, she discussed with our DG, Dr. Mahapatra, and emphasized that how important pearl millet is. And a brainstorming session was arranged, that too in the division of biochemistry. That was our first step towards joining together and our interest building up in the area of pearl millet. And thanks to Dr. Tara and thanks to our DG, because he readily agreed and he spent a lot of good time in our division motivating us that this is an important crop and biochemistry division has to take a lead along with the ICRIP program so that we can build up some knowledge and product in this area. So this is from his inspiration. We started working together in this area. So that is in 2017, and the next year, 2018. So for one full year, we were just thinking how to start, when to start. And you all know that money is the first major constraint if you start some activity. So collaboration is there, but you need some money for research. So Dr. Tara and myself constantly working that how to get funding. So whenever she used to visit Delhi, we used to discuss which forum we should apply to get some fund. And that time we got an opportunity to meet our DDG Education, Dr. Rathore. We both went to see him and discussed with him the possibility of having a very good program in pearl millet in coordination with the ICRIP pearl millet. And so nice of Dr. Rathore that time, he immediately agreed. And he also encouraged us to come forward with a very good plan on niche area of excellence. That time, we were not very much knowing about this program. So we started working and developing a program. And once we were going through the documents of niche area of excellence, we found that this program is basically a HRD program. And he focused that, okay, you do research, but you always keep in mind that since the program main focus is human resource development, so try to involve a good program on human resource development through trainings. So that was the time we thought, let's have an amalgamation of some research component and some training program. And at the same time, Dr. Sahu also approached us. So this is really a triangular way of dealing a problem. Since there was no planning of any collaboration between a biochemistry and agriculture engineering. This is the first ever collaboration between these two disciplines. And initially people were not imagining that two disciplines can have some common objectives to work on. So that was again a unique point in this project. And when Dr. Sahu approached us, so 3 of us joined jointly discussed various aspects, and my full team, full support always from Dr. Ranjan as a co-PI of this project. And we developed this program, and this was sanctioned to us. And we thought of having training component, important component. So two training program we scheduled in the division of biochemistry, one for farmers in the area of genetics, and one more training program for entrepreneurs in the area of agriculture engineering. So this is how we distributed our training program, and nicely the concept of pearl millet usage up to the product is being carried out in this program. And what you have listened in the last 11 days, whatever glimpses you had in the form of a video clipping of different practicals, is just not a one-day affair. It was a very hard work of full team from the last 2 to 3 years. So that is a kind of commitment for any project one should have. Then only you can have a success, the kind of success we have reached up to a product development. And now Minister of States and even the Agriculture Minister has released our product. So this kind of achievement right from the inception of problem to the product orientation is never be a one-person effort. It is always a 14, 15 people involved in this from different disciplines. So most of the trainees remark, if I'm going through those remarks, I was just thinking that most of you learned that planning in an organized way and a collaboration with different discipline is the key for success. So alone, one discipline people cannot work. And the transparency and the honesty with which you collaborate is also important. At many places you find in many institutions, it is very difficult to collaborate. And most of the scientists, I do not know, I don't want to use the word ego, but there are inhibitions that whether I'm a biochemist, whether I should interact with an extension worker or with the post-harvest or with the engineering people. So if we shed these inhibitions, and as a scientist only we interact with each other, and you should have a common focus on the problem. First, you have to identify a problem. So this training program is not only on pearl millet. This will teach you, because you all 33 people are not going to work on pearl millet, because many of the participants I'm seeing from MP, where the major crop is wheat and next is soybean. So it's not, the lesson learned from this training is not only to work on pearl millet, but any crop you want to work on. The main objective should be that you should have a focus on the problem identified. If you have to divide the success of any research out of 100, first 30 marks I will give what is the problem you identified. That time when we identified a problem, nobody was knowing pearl millet. And if you go to the chakki and you just ask कि pearl millet दे दो, तो वो बोलता था कि दाना चुगने के लिए देना आपको, it's a bird feed. So from that point, then starting working, awareness, nutrition, product, and we are so happy 2018 May, we got a cereal, it is called as Nutri-Cereal. Now 2023, it is not only national, international year of millets. So you have to perceive, that time we were not knowing all these things. Dr. Tara is a witness here. We were not knowing कि एक दिन pearl millet ऐसा हो जाएगा. तो हमने जब start किया था, तब तो इसको चिड़ियों के चुगने वाला दाना ही ज्यादा माना जाता था. तो उस स्टेज से लेके इस स्टेज तक आना is not a one day job. So first is identification of a key problem. कि आप क्या चीज address करना चाहते हैं. That is 30 marks. You just allocate what you sit, plan your research work, what you are doing, what you want to do, give 30 marks and give elaborate thinking of it. Then think of possible partners. If this is a question mark you want to address, any question mark in the research. And please see, one of the comment I think from one of the trainee is very important. That is from Dr. Subhash. कि कोई भी ब्रीडर हो या कोई भी बायोकेमिस्ट या बायोटेक्नोलॉजिस्ट, हर एक का ड्रीम होता है कि उसकी रिसर्च का आउटकम अगर आपकी प्लेट तक पहुंच जाए। तो यही हमारी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम का टॉपिक भी है। तो वो ड्रीम जरूर आप अपने सामने रखिए, जो भी आप, कि one day it will reach to your plate. We all are from agriculture. We are working on food. If you are working on fiber also, तो सोचिए कि आपके कपड़ों तक पहुंच जाए। तो अगर आपका जो भी रिसर्च एरिया है, and if you have defined in such a way that it should reach to the ultimate consumer, then only you feel that your efforts are successful. क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है, हम 30-40 years एक रिसर्च line में we are spending, we are working really very hard, but at the end we are not thinking our efforts are materializing in somebody's plate. So that is important. So वो 30% जब आप identify कर रहे हैं problem, always keep that thing in your mind. Identify your partners, discuss thoroughly with your partners and openly in a transparent manner. कौन आदमी क्या कर सकता है, उसके क्या प्लस एंड माइनस पॉइंट हैं, और आपस में एक दूसरे से कैसे हम एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. देयर इज नो कॉम्पिटिशन बिटवीन द पार्टनर्स, it is always a complementation between each other. So that is whatever you have seen, and some comments also from various participants that you have seen the coordination among the team member, and that resulted into all these things. So always think in that manner, work in a coordination manner, and जैसे मोहन ने बोला कि इंटरेक्शन नहीं हुई ट्रेनीज की, so that is a very important point. समटाइम्स आपका हमसे इंटरेक्शन उतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं, फ्रूटफुल होता जितना आपका आपस में इंटरेक्शन एक दूसरे के लिए फ्रूटफुल होता है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पोर्टेंट कॉम्पोनेंट वी मिस इन द वर्चुअल प्रोग्राम्स. सो होपफुली दिस ईयर इज गोइंग टू बी ए बेटर ईयर, एंड जो नेक्स्ट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स होंगे, वी आर गोइंग टू मीट ईच अदर, एंड यू ऑल्सो शुड मीट ईच अदर. दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, क्योंकि आप लोग जब यहाँ आते थे और हॉस्टल में या गेस्ट हाउस में रुकते थे एंड साथ में डिनर और लंच करते थे, सो दैट टाइप ऑफ लिंकिंग टुगेदर इज मच मोर देन ऑन द वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म where you are eating in your home and having your separate lunches and dinners. So that is really, we are also missing, but we can't help it. But coming year, I feel that that can be plugged. So planning in an organized way and dreaming for, don't think कि ये हो नहीं सकता. बस प्लीज एक बात, मैं सिर्फ एक ही मैसेज लास्ट में देना चाहती हूँ. आप किसी भी जगह बैठे हो, KVK में हो या आप किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी में हो, आपके पास इक्विपमेंट हो या नहीं हो, मगर आप ड्रीमिंग मत छोड़िए कि ये हो नहीं सकता. You all are young guys and girls, so please think over it. अगर आप सोच लें कि ये काम करना है, तो हर चीज पॉसिबल है और हर रास्ते निकलने शुरू हो जाते हैं. तो ये मैं आपको रास्ता बता रही हूँ जो डॉक्टर तारा और मैंने सोचा था, और रास्ते निकलने अपने आप रास्ते बनते गए, और हमको सब साथी बीच बीच में जुड़ते गए और फंडिंग भी मिलती गई. तो ये अपने आप हुआ जब हमने ठान लिया कि हमें करना है. और मेरे सारे साथी जो यहाँ पर हैं इस बायोकेमिस्ट्री डिवीजन से जो जुड़े हुए हैं, एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट कि इनिशियली जब हमने प्रोजेक्ट शुरू किया था, उसके बाद some of the member they voluntarily come and they wanted to join and share their expertise in this program. So ये मैसेज आप लेके जाइए कि आप अकेले एक नई क्रॉप पे शुरू करते हैं तो आप सोचते हैं हम अकेले हैं, हम क्या कर लेंगे. ऐसा नहीं होगा, आपके साथ लोग जुड़ने शुरू हो जाएंगे एक बार अगर आप ठान लें कि आप उसमें काम करना चाहते हैं. तो इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू वेरी डीप all the things you have already listened to in 2 of my talks about the nutrition, about the Hallur, and all my colleagues have done so much efforts. So my gratitude to each one of you. Yes, your training program है ना, virtual training program करना कहीं ज्यादा मुश्किल है आपके normal program से करना, क्योंकि डॉक्टर रंजन शुरू से ही इस बात पे बहुत इंसिस्ट कर रहे थे कि हम प्रैक्टिकल की सारी चीजें दिखाएंगे. So that time we were very much worried कि एक छोटा छोटा step how to shoot, and our young students, दे आर कमिंग फॉरवर्ड कि हम शूट कर देंगे। और डॉक्टर रंजन की प्लानिंग देखिए, जब हमारी क्रॉप फील्ड में थी इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई, अगस्त और सितंबर, उस समय ऑनवर्ड्स he wanted कि नहीं अभी क्रॉप है, we will make a video so that they can also have a feel of the crop also। कई बार हमें किसी चीज पे पढ़ते हैं और उसकी क्रॉप कैसी दिखती है वो ही नहीं हमें मालूम होता। तो जब तक आप क्रॉप देखेंगे तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको लगेगा कि हाँ पर्ल मिलेट की क्रॉप ऐसे दिखती है। तो वो वीडियो भी इन्होंने शूट किया। सो दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ एफर्ट्स एंड डेडिकेशन। एक होता है ट्रेनिंग कराना कि हमारे प्रोजेक्ट का पार्ट है 12 डेज की ट्रेनिंग कराना, तो वो हम करा दें। और एक होता है कि उसकी प्लानिंग करना जुलाई से कि हमें कैसे ट्रेनिंग करनी है और उस समय क्रॉप नहीं होगी। सो दैट काइंड ऑफ कमिटमेंट द फुल टीम हैज शोन, एंड व्हाटएवर रिजल्ट इन द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट यू आर सीइंग इज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ one person, it is because of everyone who contributed. So my full gratitude to everyone, starting from Dr. Tara, Dr. Archana, Dr. Ranjan, my other course project associate, Dr. Suneha, Vinutha, Veda, and everyone. So this is the applied part, what you have seen. Now the basic part, we are coming up with very good impact factor papers. So it is a combination of both. It's not only that whatever the technology we developed and patent we developed, we are stopping there. No, we are just publishing good paper also. So एक आपने सुना होगा जो वेदा ने आपको starch hydrolysis, कि one of the genotype is very sweet, and she is really working very hard to publish it in a very good impact factor, more than 5 international impact. That why it is so sweet. So many experiments she conducted. So this is the message I want to give you कि आप अपनी जिस भी क्रॉप में काम करना चाहते हैं एक डिटर्मिनेशन से काम शुरू कीजिए। जैसे अनीता की मैं बात सुन रही थी, she wanted to work on the underutilized crop and she wanted to use it for the protein source, and vegetarian veg based proteins are in demand. So several things can be the possibility, provided you are focused and don't deviate. Don't deviate. Hardship बहुत आएंगी, ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे केस में hardship नहीं आई। जब हमने प्रोग्राम कंसीव किया था उस समय विंटर का सीजन था और पर्ल मिलेट मिल भी नहीं सकता था। And Dr. Tara was here during Diwali time and we were discussing कि हमें तुरंत start करना है इस पे research. So I was just asking her कि ये मिलेगा कहाँ से, इस समय तो सर्दी का मौसम है पर्ल मिलेट। And she was so active कि कहते हैं कोई बात नहीं, हम साउथ में ट्राई करते हैं, हैदराबाद से अरेंज कर देंगे सैंपल, बट आपको सैंपल मिल जाएगा, यू डोंट वरी, यू जस्ट स्टार्ट। So that kind of commitment, ऐसा नहीं कि अगली जुलाई तक वेट करेंगे, अब जब सीजन आएगा तब आपको पर्ल मिलेट मिलेगा। So ये जो एटीट्यूड है किसी भी काम को करने का, जब आपका खुद का और आपके साथियों का ऐसा एटीट्यूड होगा तभी आपको ये टाइप की सक्सेस मिलेगी। नहीं तो बहुत सारे एक्सक्यूजेस तो बड़े आराम से होते हैं कि वो बोलती हैं कि नहीं अभी तो सीजन नहीं है, तो नेक्स्ट जब खरीफ का सीजन शुरू होगा तभी आपको सैंपल मिलेगा। तो वो टाइप का आप प्लीज देखिए एटीट्यूड, अगर आपको काम करना है, क्योंकि नवंबर से लेकर जुलाई तक 7-8 मंथ्स निकल जाते, तब तक तो हमने लीड ले ली। जब तक हमारा प्रोजेक्ट के सैंक्शन आई, जब तक नेक्स्ट क्रॉप आई, तब तक तो हमें एक राउंड ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हो चुके थे हमारे। सो दैट व्हाट आई वांट, व्हाई आई एम शेयरिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स। इसमें कोई की नोट नहीं है, प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी। आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे शायद मैं कुछ और बताने वाली हूँ, मगर मैं आपको छोटे छोटे हिकअप्स पॉइंट्स बता रही हूँ कि जब भी आप कोई प्रॉब्लम लेके शुरू करते हैं ये सारे हिकअप्स आते हैं, और अभी भी हिकअप्स खत्म नहीं हुए हैं हल्लूर बन जाने के बाद भी। महेश इज हेयर। That day the director Kajri called me कि वो मिनिस्टर की विजिट थी, and Dr. O.P. Yadav called me कि भाई मिनिस्टर is talking about हल्लूर जो आप लोगों ने डेवलप किया है, और हम लोग चाहते हैं कि वो यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोगों को हम एज ए सैंपल लोगों को दें जिससे ऑर्गेनोलेप्टिक प्रॉपर्टीज टेस्ट हों, एंड दैट इज व्हाट ही आस्क्ड मी। तो मैं आपको इसका हिकअप बता रही हूँ। अभी मार्च एंड है, वी हैव नो मनी अवेलेबल विद अस, बट समहाउ आई हैव टू अरेंज 400 पैकेट फॉर हिम, So I immediately called my director कि सर ऐसी रिक्वेस्ट है, ये आपको हिकअप्स बता रही हूँ कि आपको रात में ही ये डिसीजन लेना होगा, because if you have to say yes to him, you have to prepare packet, and if you have to prepare a packet, you should have money in hand. So that is what you have to take in confidence your director. So this kind of decision making approach, approaching different people. Otherwise, I can also simply say कि sir हम तो दे नहीं सकते आपको 400 पैकेट, ऐसा नहीं है, because this is our baby, we want it to popularize, we have to give it, somehow we have to manage it. तो ये हिकअप्स आपको भी आएंगे, इतना आसानी नहीं होती है कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनाने में, और गवर्नमेंट सेटअप से कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बहुत आगे तक क्यों नहीं जाता है, क्योंकि हम एज ए साइंटिस्ट रिसर्च करके उस प्रोडक्ट को वहीं छोड़ देते हैं, और एक स्टेप जो ये आगे बढ़ने वाला है, जबकि हम जैसे हम कई बार इवन आई ऑल्सो थिंक कि दिस इज नॉट माई जॉब, बट अगर आप ये जॉब नहीं करेंगे तो ये आगे वहां तक कैसे पहुंचेगा। तो वो एक एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप जब आपको चलना पड़ेगा, विच इज अदर देन योर रिसर्च एक्टिविटी, दैट यू हैव टू टेक इट अप, विच प्राइवेट पीपल टेक इट अप। प्राइवेट लेबोरेटरीज में या प्राइवेट कंपनीज में ये इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि दिस इज योर बेबी एंड यू हैव टू सी दैट इट शुड सी द एंड ऑफ द डे। तो वो आपको जरूर लाइट दिखानी है आखिरी तक, सिर्फ वहां तक नहीं छोड़ देना है कि हमारा काम यहाँ तक का है। तो हमारा काम तब तक नहीं खत्म होगा जब तक ये ज्यादा प्लेट तक नहीं पहुंचता। तो अभी प्रोडक्ट बना है, ज्यादा प्लेट तक पहुंचना। और अंत में मैं डॉक्टर तारा ने बोला कि ऑनलाइन होना, ऑनलाइन ये मिलने लगे। आई एम रेगुलरली परसुइंग विद द लाइसेंसी एंड विद इन 1 वीक उसको अमेजोन से क्लियरेंस मिल गया है, but he is waiting for FSSAI clearance and all the papers he has submitted long back, and he is pursuing maybe within 1 week or so ये FSSAI clearance उसको जैसे ही मिलेगा Amazon से ये आपको प्रोडक्ट मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा। And I am also in discussion with our director कि IRI में जो हम सेल कर रहे हैं क्या वो ऑनलाइन माध्यम से की जा सकती है कि नहीं। So that is a issue, policy issue which director has to take up. But we are really trying hard, क्योंकि जब तक ये लोगों तक नहीं पहुंचेगा तब तक आप इसे अप्रिशिएट नहीं करेंगे। और मेरे ख्याल से डॉक्टर प्रकाश ने बोला था कि वो मिस कर रहे हैं, जब वो यहाँ आएंगे तो हम उनको जरूर हल्लूर और मकई मैं इसलिए जोड़ रही हूँ क्योंकि जब हम एक टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप करते हैं तो कोई एक लिमिट नहीं रह जाती कि आपको अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी को सिर्फ एक क्रॉप तक लिमिट रखना है। You can take it for another crops also, and that is what we did it. And now we are trying 3-4 more products are in pipeline. We are really working hard on those products. तो हो सकता है 2023 तक जब मिलेट्स की बात होगी तो हम बहुत सारी मिलेट्स को एड्रेस कर रहे होंगे with our products. So with these words, I really thanks to all the participants of this training program जिन्होंने अपना समय इसमें लगाए रखा, और जो उनके फीडबैक है उससे मुझे ये उम्मीद लगती है कि उनको इससे काफी फायदा हुआ होगा और वो हमसे जुड़े रहेंगे जहाँ, क्योंकि 11 दिन बहुत कम दिन है। जो हमने 3-4 साल में काम किया है वो आपको 11 दिन में दिखाने की कोशिश की है। तो हम जरूर जहाँ भी, अगर आप कोई भी ना केवल पर्ल मिलेट कोई और भी क्रॉप पे काम करते हैं और हमसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं, my team here at Biochemistry Division is really very excellent team. And कोई भी किसी से भी आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, and all are ready to share whatever their experience or expertise in that area. And thanks to my all the project associates, Dr. Tara and the coordinators for arranging everything so well. And frankly and honestly speaking, पूरा training arrangement में it's my participation is only 10 to 15% only. So the credit goes to both the coordinators for planning this training so well. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am, for summarizing the complete training program in total, and then for being true leader, leading from the front. Once again, thank you. Thanks a lot. So now we are at the fag end of this valedictory function. So now I invite coordinator Dr. Suneha Goswami to please do the customary and give formal vote of thanks.
Dr. Ranjan, Dr. Tara Satyarthi wants to say something.
Oh, I have not
Yeah, sorry to intervene here, but thanks for the update regarding the online availability of Honour Madam. It's really the need of the time, and the more earlier, the faster you take it up, there will be big demand for it. And I really appreciate the efforts and your leadership in taking it up. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So in continuation, so now I invite Dr. Suneha Goswami, coordinator, to please do the customary and give formal vote of thanks. Dr. Suneha.
Thank you, sir. So it's indeed a great privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. On behalf of the training coordinator, Dr. Archana Sachdev ma'am and Dr. Ranjit Ranjan Kumar sir, and on my own behalf, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to head and the principal investigator of Niche Area of Excellence program, Dr. Shelly Praveen ma'am, in today's valedictory function. Ma'am, you are a source of great inspiration to all of us. Thank you, ma'am. Now the teamwork divides the task and multiplied the success. I place on record my sincere gratitude to Dr. Archana Sachdev ma'am, the training coordinator and the principal scientist, for being with us in almost every event in this program and encouraging us. Thank you, ma'am. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to training coordinator Dr. Ranjit Ranjan Kumar sir for his constant guidance and hand-in-hand cooperation in successfully organizing and completing this training program. Thank you, sir. This training would not be successful if I won't thank all our wonderful trainees who are enthusiastically attended this training program. By wishing you all the very best for your future endeavors, I once again thank you all for your participation and cooperation throughout this training program. I take this opportunity to thank all our faculty members from Division of Biochemistry, all the project coordinators, especially Dr. C. Tara Satyarthi ma'am, Dr. P.K. Sahu sir, Dr. S.K. Singh sir, Dr. Vinutha T, Dr. Veda K, Dr. Shweta Kumari, Dr. Arun Kumar, Dr. Pramod, Mr. Maharishi Tomar, and invited guests from the post-harvest technology, Dr. Shalini Gaurudra, for taking extra pain and putting their valuable contribution in delivering lectures and conducting practical sessions in online mode. Thank you all. I would also like to thank all our technical staff, especially Dr. Monica Jolie, Mrs. Navita Bansal, and Mr. Siddharth, who stood as a backbone support in successfully conducting this training program. I wish to especially thank Mr. Jitendra for his support in creating everyday links for smooth going of this training. I would also like to place my heartfelt thanks to all the administrative staff and supporting staff for their help and support. I also take this opportunity to thank all our students and BRS, especially Mr. Ansif Ali, Ms. Devarati, Mr. Sankan Pandit, Mr. S. Suresh Kumar, Mr. Dinesh Kumar, who actively cooperated in making videos for practical sessions. Last but not the least, I want to place my acknowledgement to one and all who have directly or indirectly involved in this training program. So thank you all.
So I request all of you to please switch on your video. We'll have one virtual group photo. Please switch on your video, all of you. Dr. Raghavendra, can you please switch on your video? Anyway, so here we go. One more. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining on this valedictory function.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Tomorrow again we'll meet at 10 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks.